All right, y'all, we got interrupted, but I'm trying to finish this shit real quick. Pop these clips back in. I can't see. I'm gonna use the camera to see. Oh, fuck. All right, I'm gonna set y'all down and pop these clips in real quick. All right, bada boom, bada bam, like so. Got that bitch up in there. Now we going here. And the other visor. So the front holds itself up. Then we're gonna pop the other A-pillar in. So I'm gonna jump over to that side and do that side. All right, y'all. We putting up this right side. Fucking whatever the fuck this does. The mirror. Hold this bitch up with your watermelon. Bust the T20 up in there. Drill. Like so. Boom, now we go to these little clips over here. All right, I'm gonna have to set y'all down for this one. I think actually I might be able to do it. Nah, I gotta set y'all down. Of course, this bitch don't wanna hit right now. Fuck. Pop this wire back in. Grab your other A-pillar. Pop that bitch down in there like a Johnny. Alright, y'all, we back in the cat in the garage. This little fucking tight ass space. Gotta make sure we good. Good over there. Good over there. Got the star, or the headliner star. We got the headliner about halfway the fuck up. Shit, duty always calling, so. Alright, I'm about to jump back there, bolt that up, bolt the rest of this up. Oh shit, he waiting on me, my bad. Oh shit. I don't know if my phone was on, but he was revving his little bitch. 5.7 sound nice. Alright, y'all, this is where all your cables and shit are gonna be. So you're gonna want to make sure that they're all tucked up in this bitch, so don't get in the way of your handle right here. This is a pain in the ass doing this shit with one hand. I'll tell y'all that. And trying to get a little bit of an angle on it. Alright, y'all, I'm tucking the wires up. And then set this up so we can put on our last grab handle. Fuck, I'm gonna have to set y'all down. I don't know if you can still see it, but get all this shit tucked in. So going this way. Damn, that was the easiest one. Thank you. All right. Tuck in your B-pillar. Oh, there's my house keys, boy. Shit. Might need them bitches. Pop this bitch in with your watermelon. Like I just did on accident. These fucking little clips. Cover these shits back up. Do that 4 more times. This bitch gonna need a mean detailing after. Any of my detailers, hit me up. Feel me? Caramba! We're going to do this one next. Alright, now we're gonna pop that plug in to our center light, pop it back up, and then I'm done for the night. Alright, finally fucking done. I'm about to go relax. Fuck. I'm gonna wire that up a different time because my battery keep dying in here, so I'm not gonna add something else to touch the battery. That just don't make no sense.